YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do? Welcome back. Brand new episode, Money Mitch TV. You see that bar? You see the skew? Without further ado, let's get it, man.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just.
Thing we looking at today is none other than the CAMO Jordan 10, ready for whoa dang. Do you smell me? Do you understand me? So jumping straight into this shoe. Now real quick, I'm thinking this got something to do with the All-Star game with the troops. I remember that one year when Pippen, Jordan, all them boys, Magic was playing and the troops was watching that one All-Star game. I think this got something to do with that. But jumping straight into this thing, the material on this thing is definitely some kind of fabric, some kind of, I don't know, if you was making on 2K, you'll probably go to fabric on this material. But trying to get as close to tell you what it is. All throughout that guy, we have that camo print upper drip throughout that guy. A little bit of cow ass leather on this guy. Then taking a look at that Tizon all black, rope skinny laces. Air Jordan is in black as well. Then taking a look at that back end, we have Jumpman in black. He is both going the same direction, so it's not old school like some of the 10s are doing. Take a look at that inside of that Tizon. You smell me? Then lastly, looking at the insert, which is black. Jumpman is in white in that guy. This is an easy shoe to really just break down real quick. Not too much going on. Feel like it holds up dirt debris. Feel like these would be dope as a Supreme collab. That's just my opinion on them. Down below, leave y'all thoughts, comments, opinion. Let me know what you guys think about these guys. Is that material? I feel like, I don't know, these will hold up in the fall and the winter. I don't know if it's gonna be hard to clean that though, if you get it on like one of them light colors. I ain't really sure. I can't really give y'all 100% answer on that. Box is dope though. Shoe not my preference, but dope, man. Different, something different. I don't really gotta have them. At the end of the day, man, make sure whatever y'all liking, y'all rocking, and whatever you rocking, you like it. Other than that, man, if you still ain't subscribed to the channel, man, subscribe for your boy. It's free, man. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all love and support for real. Also, man, all those likes, man, they do add up. I appreciate those as well, man. Other than that, that's been your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mitch, telling you to always like what you rock and rock what you like, man. Cha-ching, gang, gang, man. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wasting time. I swear to God, man, all my people know all money.